how to connect Bluehost with a Google domain for web hosting. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on My Domains in Google Domains, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click the name of the domain that you want to transfer. So you're gonna have to simply click on the name, and then you're gonna have to simply click on registration settings, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply make sure to unlock. So simply click on this button if domain is locked, and then on the right of transfer out, click the get authorization code. So you're gonna have to select to a different domain registered, then click on continue, and then copy the transfer code, and then you're gonna have to keep it safe. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply go back to Bluehost and then click on domains, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter the code, and then simply click on continue, and then you're gonna have to simply wait for domain verification, and basically that's all you have to do. Now you're gonna have to go back to domains and then go to name servers and click on edit, and then basically here you're gonna have to simply manage your DNS records from your Google domain basically. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.